Hey, Eaglers! We're doing looking at a fantastic roundabout fountain. Brand new. And it's just been switched on. Well, say brand new. Maybe a few weeks old. Looks fantastic at night, all lit up. But yeah, beautiful little roundabout fountain. They love a roundabout fountain in Spain. Anyway, how are you? So I want to talk about this. Did you see this? Yeah, another Google update, a Google Core update. Seems like only yesterday that we had the helpful content update. And then before that, what was it? The product review update. A lot of Google updates. Did you know that actually Google do an update every single day? You know that? Yeah, they do. Trying to optimize the search listings. And I know a lot of people get some very negative feelings when there's going to be a Google update. So I basically just want to use this video to say, don't worry about Google updates. Yeah, I know that's easier said than done. Myself, I've been hit by recent updates. Well, Dartpix has. Let's Go and Pop It hasn't, but yeah, Dartpix definitely has. But you've got to keep in mind that there's always going to be around 10 pages on the first page of Google. And I think that Google are really trying to get the results better. I don't know about you, but when I've been searching recently, the results just haven't been that good. I don't know what's going on with Google. There's been some horrible sites coming up for very popular keywords, and they're not adding any value at all. So I can see what Google are trying to do. They're trying to improve the SERPs because at the moment they're just not very good. Now, of course, this means that sites are going to move around. But if you've been creating good, useful content, and that could be written by hand or with the help of AI, as long as it's good and useful, readable, well laid out, free from spelling mistakes, which is hard for me, I've got to say, and just generally delivers on what the searcher is looking for, then I don't think you've got anything to worry about. Now, of course, some sites do get hit. Thinking of Ariel's site. Do you see her screenshot? That one? That's pretty bad. And in fact, I've seen a few screenshots like that where people have been hit. But then equally, on the flip side today, I've seen screenshots like this from Carl. That's pretty nice, huh? And this from Niche Site Lady. By the way, I'll put links to all these people in the description, their YouTubes and Twitters and things. So yeah, I don't think there's anything to worry about. In fact, maybe we should look forward to Google updates. If we've been doing the right thing and if we've got a little bit of luck, then who knows? The Google updates could skyrocket our traffic levels. I hope this video has not been too noisy. I mean, this road's been closed for ages. Yet at the moment I'm trying to record traffic everywhere. It's particularly grey and rainy here in Spain today. There's the sea. Yeah, pretty cloudy. So yeah, don't worry about Google updates. We'll see what this latest core update does. It's rolling out over the next few weeks. I'll put a link again down below if you want to read more about it. I'll be streaming later, so do join me. Make sure you don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell. But yeah, until next time, good luck with your sites. Boop.